Who is going to come? Who has great dare to talk about Olivia? Anybody can come here and you can talk about the Olivia. The next person I would like to call. You have dare. Okay, Unnati is going to come. Big hand for Unnati. All right. Unnati, she is going to talk about Olivia, and she is going to share the situational English about Olivia. Okay, take the mic and apply there and talk. You can also use in your hand. Yeah, talk about the Olivia.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning, all
Good morning.
of you.
Good morning.
I'm going to tell about Olivia.
Okay.
She is very good girl.
Okay.
And she loves watch movie on weekends.
Okay.
She went to market. She went to market and she saw she saw her friends.
Okay.
And hi and she met her friends, and then they decided to went watch movie.
Okay.
And then she went to near the ticket counter.
Then?
And then she
Took
took 10 tickets
tickets
for all
the friends. All right.
And then she went inside the theater.
Okay.
And she saw many chairs, and they decided I will sit on first.
And then.
And then she found their seat and sat.
Okay.
And then she watched the movie for two and half
Half
hour.
hour.
And after that she went to near restaurant. And she ordered some pizza, burger, and then they ate and they paid.
Paid the bill, or you can say paid the money.
And then they guys went her home.
Okay, she went her home. All right, big hand for Unnati. All right, Unnati, you spoke well. Be careful whenever you are speaking. Whenever you are trying to speak, talk about clearly, and you can use it in a very simple way. All you have to do, just change the verb into the second form. All right, take your place. Okay, the next person I would like to call. Who is going to come? Next person. Who is going to come? Who is going to come? The next person. Who is going to come? So many. Okay, big hand for Rohit. Rohit is going to speak. All right, Rohit, are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the mic and apply on your shirt. Apply there. Okay, let me come. Are you nervous?
No, sir.
No, sir. As I can see on your face, little bit you are nervous. Okay, all right, speak. Talk about the Olivia.
First of all, hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Here I am going to tell about Olivia.
Okay.
Olivia is a good girl,
Okay.
but Olivia is addicted to movie.
Okay.
Watch movie,
Huh?
and
She.
she love to watch movie on weekend.
Okay.
And
She
then
went.
she went to the market.
Okay.
And after went to market,
Huh?
she met
with friends. Okay.
and after decided to go to
Watch movie.
and she went to
The ticket counter.
ticket counter.
Okay.
And
Took
then took
10 tickets for all the friends. Very good.
And after then she went inside the
Theater.
and
Found. She found
their seat and
Okay.
sat
No. They found their shit.
their seat and sat.
And then.
They watched movie for two and a half hours.
hours.
And after then watch movie, they go outside.
Okay. They went outside.
They went outside of the theater.
Okay.
And he feel hungry.
Okay.
And
Felt hungry, and then after.
then went to the restaurant.
Okay.
And ordered
Some fast food. Okay.
And ate.
Okay, all right, big hand for Rohit. All right, big hand for Rohit. Rohit, you spoke well, and you be careful whenever you are speaking. Try to be careful about all the verbs. All right, take your place. Okay, the next person who is going to come. The next person I would like to call. Who is going to come? The next person. Okay, big hand for Nandini. All right, Nandini is going to speak and take the mic and speak. Talk about the Olivia.
Hello, good morning for everyone.
Good morning.
Here I'm telling about Olivia.
Okay.
Olivia is my bestie. Olivia loves to watch movie on weekend.
Okay.
He went to.
Not he went to.
Sorry.
Olivia is the she. And then
She went to the market.
Okay.
She met with
Friends.
all friends.
Okay.
She decided to go the watch movie,
Huh?
and after that she went to ticket counter,
Huh?
and after,
And then?
she took 10 tickets for all friends.
And then?
And then she went inside the theater.
Very good.
Olivia find the
No, they found. They found.
they found
Their-
their seat and sat.
Okay.
She watched movie for 2.5 hours.
Half an hour.
Half an hour, and after some time, she outside.
She went outside?
She went outside. She all friends very enjoyed.
Okay.
And she went restaurant, and she took.
She took. She ordered.
She ordered chicken biryani.
Okay.
And
Very good. And then chicken biryani. All right.
and Sprite, and then chicken.
Sprite. Okay. Sprite. All right. Okay. Sprite. And then after.
Then after she
Enjoyed very
enjoyed,
much.
enjoyed, and see all friends very tired, and after some time she go outside.
She went outside and she went to her house. All right. Big hand for Nandini. All right. Keep the mic there and big hand. I mean, sorry. Nandini, you spoke well. थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान रखिएगा next time से आप verbs को सही करिएगा, and all the things were absolutely clear and all the things were absolutely right. The next person I would like to call here. Big hand for Satyendra. Okay, big hand for Satyendra. Satyendra is going to come. Satyendra, go there and take the mic, and he is going to talk about Olivia. All right. Talk about the Olivia.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
Today I am going to tell about Olivia.
Okay, speak.
Today I am going to tell about Olivia. Olivia loves to watch movie on weekend.
Okay, on March.
And then
on weekend. All right.
On weekend.
Okay.
And then she went to the market.
Okay.
Then she met with friends.
And then
she decided to go to watch movie.
Okay,
Then she went theater. Then
after.
She took 10 tickets for all the friends.
Okay.
After that, she went inside the theater.
Okay, very good.
Then she found their seats and
Set. Okay, all right. Very
Then,
good. Speak the next.
After that, she watched movie for
2 hours. Two and a half
hours.
And then after.
She went out of theater.
Okay.
Then she went near restaurant.
Okay.
Then she went inside, and then sat on the chair.
Okay. And then she ordered.
And she ordered.
Okay. Very good.
After that, she
What? She ordered what?
She ordered
What?
biryani.
Okay.
And then
It is a biryani, the chicken biryani or a mutton biryani?
chicken biryani.
Okay, chicken biryani. You like chicken biryani or mutton biryani?
I like chicken biryani.
Okay, that's great. Okay, next.
And then she ate everyone.
Okay.
Chicken biryani.
She ate everyone. Sabko kha gayi. No. All the friends ate chicken biryani.
All the friends ate chicken biryani.
Okay.
And then she went out of a restaurant.
Okay.
Then she went near market.
Okay.
And
Okay. Big hand for Satyendra. All right. Satyendra, you spoke well, and keep the mic here. Again, I would like to call that person who is going to come. Once again, he is excited. He is curious to talk about Olivia. Little bit in the beginning time he was nervous, but once again he is going to talk about Olivia. Big hand for once again Akhilesh. All right, Akhilesh is going to come. Akhilesh, take the mic and speak. Nobody. Okay, speak. Okay, let me. Okay, speak.
Hello friends, good morning all of you.
Good morning.
Today I am going to tell about Olympia. Whereas I know about Olympia, Olympia is best girl because Olympia is my classmate, and as far as I know about Olympia, Olympia is very excited because weekend is approaching.
See,
She love to watch movie on weekend.
All right, very
And
good.
first of all, he called the friends. And
She calls.
Yes, she calls.
Okay.
She calls.
I mean, she or he?
नहीं, she बोला।
She, okay. She calls.
She calls friends, and she decided we meet. They will meet in market.
Okay.
And Olympia is go to market, and his friend are come in market.
Okay.
And they met in the market. And first of all, they decided to go to watch movie. And after some time, they went to ticket counter, and they took two tickets for all the friends.
Okay, very good.
And
Then?
they went inside the
Theater.
and after some time they found their seat and
Set. Okay, very good.
and after some time she watched movie for 2.5 hours.
Okay.
And after some time they went to out of theater.
Okay,
and they went to market. And Olivia said what to do at this time. Then friend said we went to
Where? We went.
we went to
No. Now I am hungry and I want to go in the
Yes, sir.
restaurant. Yeah.
At this time we are hungry, and we went to so क्या बोलेंगे
Restaurant.
restaurant.
And then?
And first of all, Olympia went to ticket counter.
Okay.
And she ordered pizza, burger, and other something.
Okay.
And she sat
On the chair. Okay.
and and they ate the burger, pizza, and other things.
Okay.
And after some time, we went to outside.
They went.
They went outside
Outside
in the
from the theater, restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay.
And they decided we went to our home.
Okay.
And everything.
And finally
everyone
went
to
there.
our home.
All right, big hand for Akhilesh. All right, big hand for Akhilesh. Akhilesh, you spoke well. This is your second time. Once again, you spoke well, and you used this different type of words. Like if I talk about the as for as, you used some words, and that's very nice. If you are using all the words in an outstanding way, you will really play with words, because speaking is another thing, and playing with words, and then you are speaking, that is absolutely another thing. Okay. Wish you all the best for the future time, and wish you all the best for all the trainees. You all guys are doing great job, and take your place. Okay. So व्यूअर्स, आपने देखा किस तरीके से सारे ट्रेनीज ने एक एक करके उन सारे लाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग बोला. सो इट इज माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, ट्राई टू स्पीक लाइक दीज ऑल ट्रेनीज. These all trainees are working hard from morning till evening. These all trainees are doing great job to learn English, and they are trying to express their thoughts, their emotions, their ideas, everything they are trying to express. So आप इन सारे चीजों को एक एक करके देखिए, and you will really feel outstanding. And the next thing I want to talk about these all trainees. These all trainees are really doing great job. They are doing great job because they are learning English. They are trying to improve their English. Always they talk about English. Always they talk in English, what to learn and what not to learn. And they always talk about some new ideas, new topics. If I talk about the advanced structure, if I talk about verbs, if I talk about all the topics, I mean which is taught in this class, they always express, they always talk. So आप ध्यान रखिए कि जब आप किसी लैंग्वेज को सीखना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो somewhere आपको बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम्स आता है, but you have to be careful. You have to understand all the basics. You have to understand the moderate. You have to understand the advanced, and then you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently. And yes, these all people belong to the rural area or the urban area. Rural area, right? तो आप लोगों के माइंड में कहीं ना कहीं ये बैठा होगा कि मैं रूरल एरिया से बिलोंग करता हूं और मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल पाऊंगा, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मेरे लिए नहीं बना हुआ है. These all things are absolutely wrong myth. ये गलत सोच है. You can also speak. All you have to do one thing, and that is stop wishing, start speaking. Thank you so much, everybody.